Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another tutorial, and today I will show you that how to use transform tool in Adobe Illustrator. Using selection tool, select your shape and then press E on the keyboard to select transform tool. You will notice there are three options: free transform, perspective distort and free distort. Select the free transform tool and let's just transform this shape. Hovering over one corner, you will see this cursor. Click and drag from one corner and you can change the size, height and shape of this square. And by holding shift key and dragging, you can increase the size of this square while maintaining the perspective. And by clicking, dragging and holding control key, you can distort square. And by holding alt key from a corner and dragging it, you can change the size and height of the shape while keeping it in the center. And by holding shift key and alt key, you can change the size of the shape while keeping it into the center. If you move a little bit away from one corner, you will see this type of cursor. Click and drag and you will be able to rotate your shape. So this is how you can use free transform tool in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.